cooking with Key West Spice Island Herb and Salamander cookware for 15 minutes on one side and then 15 minutes on the other. Let's see how she goes. At 375. It's going to be tasty. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. As you see, there's a meter there. When that goes, it's ready to go. We're going to flip. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're going to have a little stickage. Now we cook it 15 more minutes. I'm going to add